Hidden treasures, valuable USA pennies you might own. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of valuable USA pennies. Today, we'll uncover those hidden treasures that could be lurking in your coin jar. Did you know some pennies are worth more than their face value? These coins hold intriguing histories and surprising market values. Let's start with the 1943 bronze Lincoln penny. This rare penny was made by mistake during World War II and can fetch thousands of dollars at auction. Next is the 1909 V.D.B Lincoln penny. It's highly sought after by collectors for its unique markings and limited mintage, making it a valuable find. The 1955 double-die penny is another gem. Due to a minting error, the doubling effect on this coin makes it exceptionally rare and valuable. The 1877 Indian head penny is a collector's dream. Its low mintage and historical significance contribute to its high market value. Don't overlook the 1922 No-D Lincoln penny. This penny, missing its mint mark due to a die error, is highly prized by numismatists. The 1969 double-die obverse penny is yet another example of a valuable minting error. The doubled inscriptions make it a standout piece. Another penny to watch for is the 1972 double-die obverse. This one features noticeable doubling on the inscriptions, adding to its collector's appeal. Moving on, the 1983 double-die reverse penny has a distinctive doubling effect on the back, making it a must-find for collectors. The 1992 close AM penny is a modern rarity. The close spacing of the letters A and M in America sets it apart. Lastly, the 1999 wide AM penny is another recent treasure. Its wide spacing of the same letters makes it a valuable addition to any collection. So, next time you check your spare change, remember these valuable pennies. You might just find a hidden fortune in your hand.